Discover Excel's plastic-free packaging initiative in the Excel Encyclopaedia. In 2019, Excel became the first in the industry to make significant moves forward with their product packaging, leading the way to remove as much single-use plastic from the supply chain as possible. In this chapter, you can find out how we have removed over 16 million single-use plastic bags from our supply chain each year, and take a look at the vast transformations that we've made to our product packaging. Discover why we decided to source alternative packaging solutions and why you should do the same. You can help with every installation, big or small, it all makes a difference.